Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you top keyboard shortcut in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. So, if I were to open up a browser and then simply search for support.microsoft.com, you will be able to find all of the shortcut keyboard available for Windows on Microsoft PowerPoint. Similarly, we use Ctrl plus N to create a new presentation, Ctrl plus M to add a new slide, Ctrl plus B to apply bold. Here, these are the formatting text. These are for creating and managing slides. For navigation shortcuts, we use Ctrl plus F. To replace a text, we use Ctrl plus H. And then, to move between slides, you can simply page up or page down. So simply you can visit this site and you will be able to go through all the shortcut available for Microsoft PowerPoint. This shortcut will save you a tons of time while creating PowerPoints. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.